Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will show you how to use the Imediamatic plugin in 2026 as it was updated, and now it is no longer using the login method using username or password for Instagram, but it is using the official app method, the API method for Instagram publishing, and this will make it much more reliable and stable for automatic posting. So let me show you how to set it up and how to use it. I have here the updated version of the plugin, and we can go and set up the posting to Instagram. If you want to post from Instagram to your WordPress site, this is also possible. In this case, you can check the Instagram to posts menu, and you need to add a session ID cookie for Instagram. I have another video showing how to set posting from Instagram to WordPress up. In this video, I will focus on posting from WordPress to Instagram, so the other way around. So for this, we need to create a app and click here, or you can also click here, and here we will need to create a Facebook developer account because Instagram is part of Meta, which owns also Facebook. And here, after we create an account, click create app, and this will allow us to create an app also for Instagram. So don't enter Instagram, Facebook, Meta words here because they don't allow it. Just use some generic names. Here, after you click next, click all and scroll down until you see manage messaging and content on Instagram. So select this, click next, select a business if you own one. I have this verification completed for this business. If you don't own one, it's also okay. Select don't want to connect a business portfolio. Next, and click go to dashboard. Now, after we created our app, we can use it to set up our plugin. So for this, go to app settings, click basic, and copy the app ID, go to plugin settings, paste the app ID in the app ID section. Also reveal the app secret, copy it, paste it in the secret section. And it is the same as there. Save user info. And now we will be able to go to post to Instagram and follow the steps required for setup. So we created the app. Now go to application permissions, add the following permissions. So Instagram basic. Go back, and in the use cases menu here, you can also go from other places. From publish you can go here, but use cases, and click customize. Click permissions and features, and here we will have the list which is shown here. Search for the first red permission from here, Instagram basic. Click add. The second one, Instagram content publish, add. Business management, add. Instagram manage comments, add. Instagram manage insights, add this also. And finally, pages show list, add it. After this is published and processed successfully, as you can see it, we can go ahead and go to app settings to basic back, because we have one step which is required. Add your privacy policy URL here because Facebook requires this, the developers platform requires this. Now, after we have this also, go to publish. And we need to publish our app. You should see all required app settings are complete. Now hit the right bottom button, the publish button from here, and we should see that our app is live and it is ready to work for us. Okay, so we configured the app. Now go back to the plugin And one final step we have to do is copy this URL and go to Facebook login settings. And we need to paste this in the valid or out redirect URIs. So paste the URL there, click save. Be sure to save this properly. And afterwards we are ready to go. We can click login with Facebook button. So we did all the steps. We click login with Facebook. We should not see any errors. We can log in to our account here, choose opt into all current and future pages, opt into current and future businesses, and you can select an Instagram account that you wish to manage, or you can opt into all and future Instagram accounts. Continue, save, got it. And after you click this, you should go back to your website and you should see something similar to this. So here we can see accounts, Facebook accounts, Instagram accounts. If you don't see your Instagram account, you should log in with Facebook again and click edit previous settings, click next, next, and be sure to select the account correctly and click got it. And here it is, the CodeRevolution account also appeared now. Click save settings, and this will allow automatic publishing. So if you enable this, the top here, you will enable also automatic publishing for newly published posts to be automatically published also on Instagram. You can set the template here. You can set to which Instagram accounts to send your posts, which post types to send, and so on. So let me show you this manually. I have here my Instagram account, which is selected here in settings. Let's refresh it. And now we can go to posts. And for example, let's publish a hello world post. So let's set a featured image for it. For example, this one should be, or this one is even better. So let's set a featured image. Click save to be sure to have the featured image saved. And if we want to manually publish this post, go to this button and click post to Instagram now. So currently the post is not published and the post is being submitted now to Instagram. Done. And if we go back, refresh, here it is, the post is published also on Instagram. Let's delete it quickly until the followers don't see it. Okay, so this is basically how the plugin will work. You can also set it up, as I mentioned, to automatically publish each newly published post from your site also to Instagram. For this, just enable these settings and go ahead and publish new posts to your site. Okay, so this is how to set up Imediamatic in 2026 for its latest version. Go ahead, guys, and check it. If you have questions, let me know. The comments are open. I reply to all of them. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.